The possessive pronouns mo, do, a, ar, ur and an are used in a variety of constructions in Gaelic. One of these is éill, and a verbal noun to express a state someone or something is in, like éill mo nádachadh, embarrassed, literally on my shaming. The possessive word needs to agree with the person or thing being described, so éill mo nádachadh is used if the subject is me. Bha éill mo nádachadh. If Ailey was embarrassed, then we'd say bha Ailey ar a nádachadh. And for a plural subject, hana ballich ar a nádachadh. The boys are embarrassed. Other feelings expressed in the same way are éill mo hádachadh, stressed out, or éill mo líothadh, bored. And the pattern can be used for many different states. Van doras éill a gúnach, the door was shut. Gúnach, lenited, as doras is masculine. Han nopeth éill a gianav, the work is done. Gianav, unlenited, as opeth is feminine.